My name is Tracy and I'm the high school admissions representative here. My favorite thing is, well, I'm a mom, so I have 2 teenage boys, and I actually love having 2 teenage boys, so I really enjoy talking to teenagers. Not everybody does, but I do, and I love just hearing what they think about the world and what they want to do with their futures, and getting an understanding of like the upcoming generations is very interesting to me, and I do enjoy it. I definitely think that skilled trades are very important for people graduating high school, and I could actually go on and on about this all day, but we really need more tradespeople in the economy in the United States. We actually have a huge shortage of people working in the trades, so it's definitely important. Just like it's important to have doctors and lawyers, it's important to have electricians, plumbers, welders, HVAC techs. We have to have them in the economy. The United States won't work without those people. And the other part of that answer is it's very expensive to go to traditional college. And there is a really bad problem with student debt in this country. Trade school is generally a lot cheaper, it's shorter, and they can pay that debt off in a lot faster time because they're making generally more money than they would be going to a traditional college anyways.